A small bathroom but pure luxury. Let's see how this neoclassical space was created in SketchUp. Hey guys, welcome back to Nice Tower, your home for creative 3D and architecture tutorials. If you're into design, don't forget to hit like, comment and subscribe so you'll never miss a new project. We are building a neoclassical bathroom today, elegant, balanced and fully functional. Let's get started. First, I draw a rectangle 2500 by 3600 millimeters. Then, from the side, I take a copy at 1500 millimeters and take a copy of the whole surface. I group this area, paste the copied surface in place, and from that line, I take another copy at 100 millimeters and I do it for this part, and I take another copy in 100 millimeters, delete the extra lines, and now I copy another line at 650 millimeters away and draw an arch here to soften the shape, then erase the unnecessary lines. And now from the side, I mark 300 millimeters on both ends, and from the top and bottom, I mark 400 millimeters. And now I draw a rectangle, and from the top and bottom, I mark 350 millimeters again to draw two arch here and also here. After cleaning up, I extrude this part 30 millimeters. And for the mirror area, I extruded 50 millimeters. And now I draw a rectangle 500 by 1300 millimeters, extruded 200 millimeters, then another 10 millimeters, and again 50 millimeters. And this part gets a 10 millimeters inward push for the drawer area. I group the whole thing then use the 1001-bit plugin to create vertical lines for drawer fronts. Input values first 10, then 20, 27 with angle 0 and position front and create. Now from the bottom of the wall, I mark 750 millimeters for Vanity's position and move the cabinet into place. And now I draw a circle with 175 millimeters radius, extruded 900 millimeters, then make a 10 millimeters offset and push the surface 100 millimeters inward to create the ball. Group it and place it correctly. It's done. And now I take a copy, a line at 1200 millimeters away. Take a copy of the surface, paste it place and group it and extrude it by 150 millimeters. And now take a copy of this line at 250 millimeters away. And now use 1001 bit plugin again to create vertical panels, and take another copy of this panel to other side. And now offset 70 millimeters and again 15 millimeters and extruding 10 millimeters for extra depth. I take a copy of the surface, paste it place and group it, extrude it by 150 millimeters and take a copy of this line at 70 millimeters and then 300 millimeters. And from the bottom, I take another copy at 1200 millimeters, then 300 millimeters, 30 millimeters, and take another copy of this and push them 140 millimeters inward to create elegant wall reliefs. And now go to the fun part, materials. For the first wall section, I use a gray color for the central part, I go with a deep rose or red color, and for the mirror, a reflective mirror material. The vanity top is black, and the cabinet body gray, also for the panels. And the sink again has that rich rose tone. I add a 15 millimeters offset here and 10 millimeters extrusion for sharper edge, and now much better. For the next wall section, I keep it gray, but highlight some parts with the same rose color for blends. And finally, for the last section, I use dark marble, dark red marble, matching with previous tones for a luxurious neoclassical vibe. Other small wall parts stay gray to calm the compositions. Now I add some accessories like a fun mirror and small decoratives to complete the look. And here's the final result, a chic and luxurious neoclassical bathroom. I really love how the mix of rose marble and grey tones created a calm yet rich atmosphere. If you enjoyed this design, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to Nice Tower for SketchUp projects. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.